News Now How, guys. Ain't nice little wreck here, guys. That's pretty rough. Was you driving one of them?
Yeah.
The truck?
Yep.
Shit.
Agree.
Huh?
I agree with you.
I take it was your fault? Huh? It happens, man. You ain't a piece of shit. A piece of shit would have took off or something, you know? It's all good, brother. Accidents happen. That's why they're called accidents. So we got a wreck, guys. That was this guy's fault. He's kind of hard on himself, said he was a piece of shit. I was like, no, accidents happen. A piece of shit would have took off running. Or something, you know. I take it these guys over here are the ones that was in the car. Blonde and blonder over there. Was you just not paying attention? Yeah, that sun's mean, brother. I've been there, done that though. Trying to get a close up on it. Yeah. At least nobody was hurt. Good thing. I had a head, huh? Oh man, that hurts, bro. Lucky it didn't hit you. I take it the cover didn't hit you then, right? It did hit you. No, oh, you would have known. I had a guy, drunk guy, cross center lane, or he said he wasn't drunk. He said he fell asleep, but he was in a truck and he crossed center lane, hit me head on. I was doing 40, he was doing 40, so it was an 80-mile-an-hour wreck. Fucked me up, man. Put me in a coma for 3.5 weeks. Yeah, it was pretty bad. And when mine, I was in a Mustang. You couldn't even tell what it was, what kind of car it was when they got me out of it. But the bag had come out on me, but the part that covers it, you know, the horn part or whatever, the casing, hit me in my chest, hit me in my sternum. About killed me, dude. About killed. Luckily, I was unconscious, or I would, man. Oh my goodness, you had a baby? Was you? Oh my God. Well, I'm glad you guys are all right. Oh, you wasn't with the baby? Oh, thank God. You the baby. She's cute. Hi. Hi. She's just staring at me like, what are you doing? But fire truck's leaking something. Look, guys. See it right there? Underneath it? Probably water. I think they carry some water in them. I think. I don't know though. But everybody's okay. Police ain't acting like tyrants, so I guess we're good to go. Hey man, if you want to see, I have a it's all right. I have a YouTube channel. It's called News Now Ohio.
Yeah.
News Now is one word and then space Ohio. Actually, no, I think I corrected that. But it's News Now Ohio. I got like 7,000 subscribers. You'll know it. You'll see yourself on it later. So if you want to go to it, check it out. All right, man. Glad you're okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it. Ain't no tyrants acting weird. So. The cop waved at me, so what's that mean? He wants to mess with me? What? Oh, shit. Okay, I gotta go meet my buddy. I forgot. All right, I'm coming. Right now, I'm gonna call it a day. All right, guys, News Now Ohio's out.